Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our biology class. Today students we are going to study our topic Introduction to Biology. Firstly we are going to discuss what is science. The word science comes from a Latin word scientia meaning knowledge. Science is a research for knowledge or truth. It is a systemized body of knowledge based on facts and evidences through experimentation and observation, and the application of knowledge is technology. Biology. The word biology comes from two Greek words, bios meaning life and logos meaning a study. So biology could mean a study of life. It covers all the aspects of the study of living creatures like growth, structure, occurrence, classification, ecology, economic importance, external form, organization, internal structure, nutrition, among others. Branches of biology. The main branches of biology are zoology, botany and microbiology. Zoology is the study of animal life. Botany, the branch of biology dealing with the study of plants. Microbiology, the study of microorganisms, those which are not visible with our eyes like bacteria, viruses, etc. Some other branches of biology. Morphology. The branch of biology that deals with the study of external structural characteristics of plants and animals. Anatomy. It deals with the internal structures or organs of an organism. In plant, it deals with the arrangement of different types of roots, tissues in roots, stem, leaf, etc. Histology. It deals with the study of tissues of plants and animals under a microscope. Cytology. The study of structure, function and composition of cell and cell organelles is called cytology or cell biology. Physiology. It deals with the study of functions of different parts of living organisms. Ecology. It deals with the study of relationships of living organisms with each other and with the non-living environment. It is also called environmental biology. Taxonomy. It deals with the description, identification, classification and scientific naming of living organisms according to their similarities and dissimilarities. Genetics. It deals with the description, identification, classification and scientific naming of living organisms according to their similarities and dissimilarities. Biochemistry. It deals with the chemistry and chemical aspects of the living system. Biotechnology. It is a manipulation of living things, animal, plants, microorganisms for the welfare of mankind. Relation of biology to other sciences. Biochemistry. A complete branch of chemistry which requires firm knowledge of biology and chemistry to explain the synthesis of biomolecules, their requirements and the effects caused by the deficiency and efficiency of different molecules on the organism and their metabolism. Biophysics. It deals with laws and techniques of physics to explain the metabolism of living organisms, to find out the age of fossils, etc. Use of ultrasound waves and laser technology shows some relationship of physics with biology. Behavioral biology. Many of the facts of biology are reflected in the study of behavior. It is an intersection of biochemistry, genetics, physiology, evolutionary theory and ecology. Biosociology. The study of behavior, especially social behavior, also associates biology to the social sciences and humanities. Through the study of life in general, we will learn about ourselves. Quranic verses about animals and plants' life. Almighty Allah has conveyed a great knowledge about animals and plants through our holy book, the Quran. A few of the ayah are quoted as under. We make every living thing of water. Will they not then believe? Al-Anbiya, ayah 30. And Allah has created every animal of water. Of them is a kind that goes upon its belly, and a kind that goes upon two legs, and a kind that goes upon four. Allah creates what He will. Lo, Allah is able to do all things. Surah Al-Nur, ayah 45. Who has appointed the earth as a bed and has treaded roads for you therein, and has sent down water from the sky, and thereby we have brought forth diverse kind of vegetation. Surah Taha, ayah 53. And the earth have we spread out and placed there in firm hills and caused each seemly thing to grow therein. Surah Al-Hijr, Ayah 19. Glory to be to him who created all sexual pairs of that which the earth groweth and of themselves and of that which they know not. Surah Yasin, Ayah 36.